Exposing the secret weapon for next-level business meetings. Small business essentials. Take your meetings and presentations to the next level with a smartboard. Be more productive and efficient and have some fun. What exactly is a smartboard? It's like your old-school whiteboard got a tech upgrade. Picture a large display on your wall, but this one's interactive. You can write on it, use your fingers, or a smart pen. Plus, it syncs with your computer so you can show presentations, media, and more. These boards aren't just for show. They integrate with projectors, the internet, and a bunch of apps. The global market for these interactive displays was worth $14.63 billion back in 2018. By 2026, it's projected to hit $29.19 billion. That's an 8.80% annual growth rate. So, are smartboards worth the investment? Absolutely. They're game changers for business presentations, real-time collaboration, and even video conferencing. With features like built-in speakers and collaboration tools, your productivity could skyrocket. And the best part? They can last for years with proper care and updates. Ready to take your business to the next level? A smartboard might just be the tool you need. Follow us here for small business insights, tips, and a preview of the newest small business product trends and tools.